What's up, everyone? It's time once again for a weekly watch list. What this is, exact levels I'm watching for the upcoming week, and how I'm going to trade them. So let's get right into this. First up, ticker SPY. You can trade options or ES futures based off these zones and levels. So let's start from the top. 600 this whole site, current resistance. I'm going to be watching for possible reject there. If we show no signs of rejection break above, I will be looking for that pullback retest for a call or long entry. And that goes the same with any of my zones. So 590 to 590.8 is closest bounce area I like. If we push down, I will watch this for a bounce. Next area is down here around this 586. Could be a possible bounce area as well. Going to watch that. You get the picture. Then the next one around this 575.5 to 574.4. Then below that, probably my favorite zone we have this week, down around this 568. But, we could never see this level again. Yeah, we could. It could happen next week, but we could continue up for a long time. So, like I said, be patient. And remember, I never know what the market's going to do on a daily basis. I create my levels, zones, and I trade them. And I follow my plan, right? I trade my strategies. Here are the updated SPX levels. I haven't added anything besides this 6,000 host psych number, because you can see here we haven't really created no new zones. The only possible area I'd be watching would be right here around this 5,930. But when I'm looking for level zones, if I have to strain my eyes and try to convince myself a level's there, simply don't trade it. So 5,900 and 6,000 are our closest levels right now. I would definitely be looking for a bounce if we pull back to this 5,900. If you don't understand how I trade SPX levels, check out the video on my YouTube for you all. 100% free and straight to the point, so check that out. Up next is QQQ. And this 515 area is current resistance. It's kind of a big zone, as you can see here. Not really, we can look for a reject there, but ideally we break above, retest for a long entry here for calls. Closest bounce is going to be down here around this 512 to 511.5 for a possible call entry, or NQ longs. You can trade calls or NQ longs based off QQQ levels. And way down here I have a zone. Not for sure if we'll ever see this level again, but it's quite a big zone. But it is very, very obvious, and we've seen very good price movement down here. So I'm going to be watching this closely around this 502 area for possible bounce. Remember, we come into the zone. I'm not interested in entering this trade inside the zone. I want to see this coming back out for my entry with the proper confirmation. Okay, for those who have stuck around this long, still watching this video, I have a surprise for you. I want to show you all a sneak peek of the upcoming update for my personal Grizzology Indicator. This is my custom indicator built based off my strategies. So let's go ahead and just take a look at that, okay? All right, so here is the current update we're working on. Still a couple things I'm going to fix here before dropping this update. If you're not a subscriber of Grizzology, for one, I'll leave a link in the description so you can join. But right now, the current version is supply and demand. It charts these zones you see here, and it shows you confirmation once it confirms, right, with what I look for. This is based off the confirmation I look for, and it's based off the hourly zones like I like. Now, the current update coming is going to chart the pre-market low, previous day close, pre-market high, previous day high, and it's going to have VWAP in here as well. Also, it's going to help you confirm on trend entry, like you can see here. This is new. This is showing us where we could possibly enter for trend. Just be sure. Even when you're using this indicator, yeah, it's been amazing. I've not had no real issues so far. Honestly, I passed some evals from it and made some money, but just be sure you add your own confirmation. You never, want to rely on one thing, but just look at this, a buy here and a buy here on that trend up day. Too bad I didn't have this on my chart then, or I might have, possibly got in here. So now check this out. Now this is the current Grizzology. Now this is what you can do, adjust once you get this new update, which should be coming out in the next week or two. I'll keep you all updated. You can see you can show trend signals, change the colors here, turn them off if you don't want them on your screen. In your signal, like you've seen this signal right here, you can change that. You can wait on the retest, or you can just simply take the breakout trades for those that like to take breakout trades. For me, retest is the way to go. And this is how I have my current Grizzology set up. That's it. if you have any recommendations for future updates, let me know. But honestly, this is one of my best creations. So that's it for this video. I hope you all make a lot of money this week. If not, I hope you learned valuable lessons. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. As always, I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.